What's up, YouTube? This is Eyer Fishing, and today we're going to be fishing at Shingle Creek in Central Florida. So stay tuned to see what we'll find.
Now it's time to find some new fish species. Gotta catch 'em all. Gotta catch 'em all. Fish species.
Alright, so now I'm at Shingle Creek now, and just to give you guys how small this hook is in perspective, here's my hand and there's the hook right there. I've got a little piece of artificial worm on it to give it some scent and visibility to me since it's so tiny otherwise. So now with that out of the way, we're going to cast straight into this pool over here, get this party started. Gotcha. There we go. Fish number 2. Also a little bit of larger red breast, I believe. Red breast number 2 right there. We're gonna throw him back. Come on. Oh, here we go. Gotcha. Nice. What we got here? Oh wait, maybe this is a new species. Hold on a second. No, well, oh gosh, hold still. There it is right there, whatever it is. That sunfish, I think that's species number 2 for the day, so. Come on, give me that. Show me the money. Oh, here we go. Got one. All right, what have we got here? Oh, stop it. Oh. All right, we're gonna let this guy go now. Got one. Ooh, this is the prettiest red breast of them all. Red breast right there. All right, we're gonna let this guy go now. All right, there we go. There's species number 3 of the day, the eastern mosquito fish. There it is right there. All right, I'll let you go.
Although I didn't catch any new lifers, I still had a successful trip with 3 total fish species. But there's still much to do. What new species and challenges will the future bring me? Find out as the journey continues.
If you want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button and check out the related playlist and videos in the description.
Fish species.